Okay, this is a little video on Kniphofia bruceae, a very rare species that was thought extinct but rediscovered in South Africa back in, I think, the 1990s. And I grew 2 plants from Silverhill Seed, and they're flowering now here in New York. They do get a nice woodchip protective mulch for winter since it's not from an extremely cold area of South Africa. But they're absolutely enormous. They flower very late, just before the frost. We might get frost maybe towards the end of next week or maybe 2 weeks from then. But if that happens, and when that happens, I will cut the inflorescences of the 2 clones I have here. One has 2 big spikes and one has 4 this year, and the plants are ginormous with their leaves. And they will cross with each other, and I can sometimes get seeds from the flowers. I put them in a heavy vase next to my plant lights in the garage, and sometimes you can get seed to mature that way. It does appear to be a self-sterile species of Kniphofia. Some of them are. Multiflora, another spectacular one that comes into bloom this time of year, is the same way. But yeah, this is not a plant you commonly see in America, certainly not in New York State. And it really is more spectacular, I think, than any of the hybrids. Curiously enough, I actually bought one of those hybrid Kniphofias, a little yellow thing that had a patent on it at a Lowe's, and during our rainy summer, it just disappeared and died. But all the species Kniphofias are doing just fine here in the yard. And you can see, if you look closely, the pollinators do love them, and the honeybees are making use of the nectar there. If I close in a little bit. And you know, to give you an idea of the size, the spikes on this are taller than I am, at like 5'10" or 9. Maybe I'm shrinking a little bit. So they say as you get older, you shrink an inch or 2. But yeah, they're really spectacular, and they really light up the garden this time of year. And they're doing fantastic. A great plant. More people should try growing it.